Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Excel vs Markar full comparison. Start by opening both apps and follow step by step while I highlight core differences and practical workflows. I will show how formulas, templates, collaboration, and data visualization differ between the two. Watch closely for quick tips on migrating sheets, preserving formatting, and choosing the right tool for budgeting, reporting, or daily notes. Compare core features side by testing a small project in each tool, create a sample budget, a simple dashboard, and a set of notes linked to data. Notice how Excel handles complex formulas and large datasets, while Markar favors fast entry and clean organization. Consider collaboration, mobile use, and offline access when deciding which one fits your daily workflow best, and keep export compatibility in mind. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more comparisons. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading manuals, cheat sheets, and reference guides effortless whether you are on the couch or commuting, and it pairs nicely with digital workflows. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Grab it if you want a tidy reading companion. Now let's get back to the video. Weigh pros and cons by matching each app to specific tasks like budgeting, reporting, or note capture. Test a real use case to reveal pain points. Pay attention to learning time, template availability, and collaboration features. If you need heavy analysis, Excel is likely the better fit, while Markar wins for quick notes and streamlined personal workflows. Choose based on what you actually need to accomplish each day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.